Baie goeie nuus, die Notre Dame se sluise is vir die tweede keer binne 2 weke oopgetrek. Ag, ons juig saam met die suide wat uiteindelik die reën se seën gekry het die afgelope Paasnaweek. Dit het regtig wyd en suid daar van die Karasberge tot daar by die Swartrande, Koois, Aroap, Leonardwil, Bloemvelde, het dit mildelik gereën. Ons wys ook vir julle op die agterblad, gaan ons vir julle so lekker reënpotpourie gee van die suide.
Baie dankie, ek het geskryf oor Langer Heinrich, hulle eienaars is Paladin Energy vanaf Australië. In Australië staar hulle 'n klasaksie hofsaak in die gesig in die Hooggeregshof daar in Australië. Dit gebring deur aandeelhouers in Paladin wat kwaad is omdat hulle sê Paladin was nie deursigtig oor Langer Heinrich se produksiesyfers laas jaar nie en dus het hulle moontlik te veel betaal vir hulle aandele. Almal wat vanaf Junie tot in November laas jaar in Paladin aandele gehandel het, word genooi om deel te neem in die klasaksie hofsaak en u kan meer daaroor lees in môre se Republikein. Baie dankie.
Pad vanuit Walvisbaai verskaf Frida Molotto vir ons beeldmateriaal van die Walvisbaai se burgemeester Trevino Forbes wat die begunstigdes bekend gemaak het van die Walvisbaai City Youth Climate Action Fonds. Kom ons gaan kyk meer.
Awards to our successful beneficiaries to the Youth Climate Fund. Year one, it was about just under $1 million that we received from Bloomberg Philanthropies, for which we are internally grateful. And with the hard work of those beneficiaries that benefited the first round, we were allocated the second round to be as a successful country to receive another additional $1.8 million. And you sitting here today, your projects were evaluated and they were found to be the successful projects for round 2 of the Walvis Bay Youth Climate Action Fund. Am I saying it correctly? That's a tongue twister. Youth Climate Action Fund. So that is why you are seated here today. Go to Usapun Secondary School, Agricultural Science class, AS12, 90,999. The third will be Flamingo Secondary School, the Environmental Club for 60. I will just round it off, 65,000 Namibian dollars. Next one is Walvis Bay Gymnasium Greenhouse, 92,500.
My name is Lucia Shilima, part of the Eco Wave project, making biodegradable plastic from fish waste. So we asked for $92,200, and this idea is already being carried out in top 3 countries, which are the United Kingdom, Spain and Italy. And in Africa, if we succeed with this, Namibia will be the first.
Lede van die gemeenskap het ook by Awas Primêre Skool saamgetrek vir 'n protes, dit na beweringe dat die skoolhoof van hierdie skool 'n poging aanwend om Kwekwekhof op te verwyder as 'n taal by die skool sonder die nodige konsultasie. Kom ons kyk meer.
Met 'n plan die eintlik maar 'n kakai. Gape kweko kopap as die kakai. Ja. Sita dika kurengasa amchi forcing. Sata thinking forcing. Sata forcing skin. Na ka ko tabari clara campaign. Ja. No ko no pakwa ku die eintlik maar 'n kakai.
Sila kita marana ang kumatu ka lang.
Systematical abuse. Abuse Abuse to like yourself to without let me tell you one thing. Everything, yeah. If you abuse people systematically, institutionally, emotionally, it is a form of abuse. How do I feel as a Damara now? I feel suppressed. We are already minority. As you can see, we are already unemployed. And now you are driving the young to be unemployed. How do you want to address gender-based violence with gender-based violence? It doesn't make sense.